So right now, Elon Musk is going to the train station where they are bringing in the reinforced concrete, which makes Giga Berlin a special factory for. Giga Berlin is, according to him, is going to be finished in record time, breaking the record of Giga Shanghai. So, as you guys can see, I shared some photos later of the work going on at the train station, and Elon Musk is inside the white Model X. Sorry for the sound, guys. I'm risking my life. I'm next to the road. So there you have the drive unit, which is almost complete, and it's crazy progress here, guys. That is Elon Musk in the white Model X. You can see there are two Teslas, a black one, I think it's also Model X, and the white one, that's where Elon Musk is. Tesla CEO. I'm Dio from funkla.com. I'm gonna be holding this phone, and hopefully he will come out, but I doubt it. So yeah, let's see. And like always, this is Tobias. We're here chilling. Eugen is today not there. He has to work, sadly. He was here yesterday from 9:30 till almost 6 p.m. in the evening, and Elon didn't come to Giga factory. But today, we are the lucky ones. And yeah, this is Elon Musk inspecting the work going on at Giga Berlin. And right now, we are the only guys recording this. All the journalists have no idea what is going on right now. This is crazy, guys. Let me show you guys where we are standing right now. So somewhere down there is where Elon was having the press conference, speaking with the press, answering questions, and this is where we're standing right now, next to the highway. And that's the drive unit, almost covered up. And this is where they bring in the reinforced concrete, which makes Tesla Giga Berlin construction as fast as it is right now.
I don't know, the white or the black?
The white one.
You sure?
Yeah. I saw him when he went into that car.
Ah.
Yeah. It's inside the white one.